Hello friend, good morning to all of you. We are going to study about the center of mass of the rod, center of mass of half ring and center of mass of half disc. First of all we study about the center of mass of rod. Here calculate. Now this is a rod, this and this. This is a rod of mass m, mass of rod m, and length of this rod is L. This is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. Here we take a small strip dx at the distance x from y-axis. Here this x and its mass is dm. Now mass of rod is m and length is L, so that mass per unit length, total mass by total length m by L, so that mass of length dx is, that is dm, and mass per unit length into strip dx, so that this is a mass of dm, this small parts here, and lambda dx, lambda is mass per unit area m by L, putting here m by L dx. Now the x coordinate of center of mass is equal to the integration of dm x by integration of dm, putting here in this case, take the limit. In this case length of the rod is L, so that 0 to L, integrate here 0 to L, and dm equal to m by L dx here, and x, and divided by integration of dm m by L dx, so that m by L x dx in limit 0 to L, because the length of rod is L, and m by L here 1 dx, this and this cancel, integration of x dx, x square by 2, and limit 0 to L, and here 1 dx, integration of 1 dx is x, and limit also 0 to L, so that this, putting the upper limit L, lower limit 0, so that L square by 2 and 0, this term vanish, and in this case also putting x equal to L divided by L, L and L cancel, L by 2, so that x coordinate of center of mass is L by 2. This is our answer. Now we see here center of mass of half ring. This is a ring, half ring, and here in this case we take a small strip d theta, and radius of this ring is r here, and theta, this is angle equal to angle arc by length, angle is d theta, arc equal to this by length r, so that r equal to r d theta. Here this is a r d theta in this case, and center of strip, this is a strip, its coordinate is r cos theta and r sin theta. Here mass of the half ring, is equal to m, and radius of half ring, this is r, so that length of half ring is, this is a in a circle, and if you excrete here, this is just like a rod, so that in this case length of the half reed is 2 pi r divided by 2, that is a pi r, so that mass per unit length, this is the length of half reed, and total mass m, so that mass per unit length lambda is equal to mass by m by pi r here. And now mass of r d theta, this distance is r d theta is equal to mass of this strip is dm, so that dm is equal to mass per unit length multiplied by this length r d theta here, putting the value of lambda m by pi r into r d theta here. Now y coordinate of center of mass equal to integration of dm y divided by integration of dm here. In this case, we take here in form of theta. Now this is theta equal to 0 to integrate this theta equal to pi, so that we have calculated the center of mass of the total half ring here. In this case 0 to pi, and dm is equal to m by pi r r d theta, and y here y is a coordinate of center of mass x, y is r sin theta here, putting y is equal to r sin theta, and divided by integration of dm m by pi r r d theta 0 to pi here. Now here r and r cancel here. In this case r cancel, m by pi cancel, so that in this case integration of 0 to pi 1 r comes here, and sin theta d theta divided by 0 to pi here 1 d theta in this case. Now integration of sin theta equal to minus cos theta, so that integration of this is minus cos theta, limit 0 to pi here, and r comes here, and 1 d theta, integration of 0 to pi 1 d theta is equal to theta, and it limit 0 to pi. In this case r is comes here, minus, putting the upper limit pi and 0, minus cos pi minus cos 0, this is minus comes by the formula cos 0. In this case divided by theta equal to pi minus 0, so that only pi comes here. R cos 180 degree, that is minus 1, minus cos 0 is equal to 1, so that minus 1 and minus 1 here, minus 2, minus plus 2, so that 2 are divided by pi. Now thus we get the y coordinate of center of mass of this half ring is this. Now and x coordinate also we know that in the middle point easily can calculate here. Now center of mass of the half disc. Now here this is a disc, and its radius is capital R, and mass of the disc, mass of half disc is m, and radius capital R, so that mass per unit area, it means that this is known as sigma, mass per unit area, that is denoted by sigma. It can be gained total mass by total area. Total mass, as we assume that here mass of disc is m divided by total area of the this total is strip is pi r square, but this is a half portion, so that total pi r square by 2. It means that mass per unit area sigma equal to 2m by pi r square here. Now x coordinate here equal to 0, x coordinate equal to 0 and y coordinate 0 and y coordinate here. In this case integration of dmy divided by integration of dm here. Mass of the strip, this is a strips, we take these strips so that mass per unit area this, and we take the strip this at the distance r dr, so that this is just like a this is a ring, and length of this ring is total ring 2 pi r. This is half, so that 2 pi r by 2 and pi r and multiply by dr, so that pi r into dr. This area of the strip here, and multiply the mass per unit area to get the mass of strip. So, and y is equal to 2r by pi. Here we have to calculate y coordinate of center of mass is equal to 2r by pi, so that this is 2r by pi. And now the y coordinate of center of mass equal to, putting this integration r is equal to 0 to r, integrate 0 to r, so that we get the center of mass of the total half ring here. 0 to r sigma pi r into dr, and y is equal to 2r by pi divided by 0 to r dm, and sigma pi r dr. In this case pi and pi cancel, and here 2 sigma 0 to r r square dr divided by, in this case divide sigma pi integration of 0 to r dr. Now in this case sigma and sigma cancel, 2 by pi here, and integration of r square dr. As you know that x के power n equal to x के power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1, so that here r के power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1, and integration of this is r cube by 3 limit 0 to r, and here also integration r square by 2 0 to r, and this is 2 by pi here, putting the limit, upper limit r is to capital r cube by 3 and minus 0, so that term cancel, so that here r cube by 3 divided by r is square by 2 comes in upper side, r square downside. This can be written as with it 2 by r square, and 2 to the 4, r square cancel, r square 1 r here, 4r by 3 pi. This is the y coordinate of center of mass here. Center of mass of half hemisphere, it means that hollow spherical shape and half portion, and inside the sphere is hollow. here this is a half hemisphere. Let us suppose the mass of this is m and radius of this is r. We take an element here. This is in the circle position. Element will be a ring, just like ring. We cut parallel to x-axis here. Now mass per unit area of hemisphere equal to total mass by total area here. Total mass m and area. If this is a sphere, then its surface is 4 pi r square. But here is hemisphere, so that curved surface divided by 2. Here in this case, m by 4 pi r square and 2 comes here. 2 comes here. In this case, now mass in this case y coordinate of center of mass equal to integration of dm y but integration of dm. This is a hemisphere. Take the strip so that this is angle बराबर arc by radius, so that this is r d theta and this is theta, so that this is cos theta का base by hypotenuse, so that this r is equal to r cos this is equal to r cos theta. In this case, mass of strip is rho is the this is a mass per unit area now, and strip this is in the form of ring. This is in form of ring, so that circumference that is a 2 pi r and thickness of this is r d theta, so that this is a area and r is equal to r cos theta, because cos theta here, and y equal to r sin theta, so that this is a y coordinate of center of mass is equal to integration of dm y but integration of dm. This is we take the limit 0 to pi by 4, 0 to pi by 0 to pi by 2 here in this case, and take the area here, so that dm equal to dm mass of the strip, dm equal to sigma 2 pi r d theta, and y equal to r sin theta. In this case, sin theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse, lump by chord, and here, so that dm equal to 0 to pi by 2 sigma 2 pi r d theta. In this case sigma 2 pi r square, and here 2 pi r square here, and r small r equal to r cos theta putting and sin theta d theta divided by sigma and 2 pi r and 2 pi r here, and small equal to r cos theta r d theta here. In this case, sigma cancel, 2 pi cancel here, and here is r square. In this case, r square here, and this is r square cancel over r this, so that r by 2, and we take 2 sin theta into cos theta d theta divided by 0 to pi by 2 here cos theta, so that this is a r by 2, 0 to pi by 2 sin 2 theta d theta divided by 0 to pi by 2 cos theta d theta, so that this is equal to r by 2, and this is y coordinate of center of mass. Now center of mass of the solid hemisphere, so that in this case this is a solid, so we take dr strip at the distance r, and radius of this solid hemisphere is r, and this is a mass, so that mass per unit volume. This is known as rho. This is denoted by rho. Mass per unit volume is rho, mass equal to m, and total volume of this sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube, but here is hemisphere and as well as solid, so that 2 by 3 pi r cube here, 2 by 3 pi r cube here in this case. Now we take the strip this here, so that this is a mass per unit volume, and this strip, so that this is also a sphere, and its surface area is 4 pi r square, but is a hemisphere, so that surface area divided by 2 and 1 and multiplied by the strip dr, so that this is a volume of unit volume, and multiply this, that is a mass of this strip here, so that rho 2 pi r square dr, and y is equal to r by 2, so that y coordinate of center of mass is equal to 0 to r, integrate this 0 to r, we get the total, we get the y coordinate of total center of mass of total hemisphere, so that 0 to r dm y, and in this case dm is equal to putting this sigma 2 pi r square into dr, and y is equal to r by 2, dm is equal to this, so that rho 2 pi rho, this is a, in this case this is a rho